The world is in upheaval. The energy landscapes are constantly changing. With visions, passion, and knowledge, we turn these opportunities into reality. We work on innovative solutions with the latest technologies and concentrate on our strengths. In the meantime, Emission Partner has become a synonym for speed, flexibility, and technical excellence. Our mission is to make energy even cleaner, always setting new standards, and to offer competent exhaust aftertreatment from one source. We optimize our broad product portfolio and focus on individual solutions. We cover all stages of the value chain, from design to production and assembly of the catalysts. When it comes to meeting new limits, we are your partner, not just to keep pace, but to be one step ahead. Clean air is our engine. Emission Partner.